Now, especially with deep fakes and AI, these men are going to be misusing this a lot more in the future. So the only way for women to manage this is to get rid of the shame. So the actual hate that has been fueled by some of these Twitter pages and meme pages on social media just because they don't like an opinion has led to another page, which is a porn site, to morph my photograph and send it to me. And as I said earlier, I tagged the police in this. So a lot of them is motivated, a lot of them are paid to do this, but I am not the kind of woman who's shamed by this. Ante meeku పెళ్ళైపోయింది, మీకు రాహుల్ లాంటి మొగుడు దొరికాడు, మా అమ్మాయికి రాహుల్ లాంటి అబ్బాయి దొరుకుతాడా? దొరకకపోతే పెళ్లి చేయకండి. Don't get your daughter married to any dipshit that you find on the road just because they are asking for a certain amount of dowry, or if he's employed in Australia or US or London. I mean, look at it. Imagine your daughter married a man like Charan Reddy and Lohit Reddy, who is saying, children born to women they don't like should die immediately. Itvanti abbaiki mee ammayini pelli chesi ivvala avasarama? What can you do if you find a morphed video or an image or a deep fake AI image of yours which shows you naked? First, don't be afraid. Second, it's not your shame. 3, tell your family, nothing to be afraid of. 4th, if you feel that your family is going to be stopping your education or your career because of reporting this, it is a very real fear that women have, because a little bit of financial freedom that we have will be taken away by our families. Many of them can be abusive themselves. So you can report it to the authorities and find somebody who's trustworthy to report this. Only thing, this is going to be very, very common in the future. Men have always used technology, power, money to defame women that they don't like. Earlier they used to call them witches, used to call them black magicians, then they would call them prostitutes, and if they wanted a woman and they didn't get her, then they would make rumors about her so that her life will be miserable. This has always been the way of the society. We need to get out. This particular morphed photo of mine was shared on Twitter. I tagged Sajanar Garu and that person immediately deleted it. Now I don't care. My husband doesn't care. My family doesn't care. And every family should be like this. That's exactly, మా family అంత డెవలప్ కాలేదు అని మీరు చెప్తే డెవలప్ అయిపోండి.